The topic for today's session is data preparation for analytics. So, what is data preparation? So, data preparation is the process of cleaning and transforming the raw data to processing and analysis. So, it is an important step to processing and involving the reformatting the data, making correction to data, and the combining of data set to enrich the data. For example, so the data preparation is a process. It will include standardization data format, enriching the source data, and removing the outliers. So what are the steps we can follow for the data preparation? So one is gather, second one is discover, third one is cleaning, fourth one is transform, fifth one is enrich, and last step is store. So let us discuss it one by one in detail. So first one is gather data. So the data preparation process begins with finding the right data. So this can come for an existing data catalog or can be added ad hoc. So how to gather the data? Data collection is defined as the procedure of collecting, measuring and analyzing with accurate for research using the standard validate techniques. So a customer can evaluate their hypothesis on the basis of collected data. So next step is discover and access the data. So after collecting the data, so it is important to discover each data set. So this step is about getting to know the data and understanding so what has to be done before that data become useful for that particular context. So for example, for discovering a big data, so but it offers the visualization tools, so which will help the user profile and browse their data. So a data discovers it will involve an end-to-end process for mapping all the potential it will relevant with our unstructured data source, as well as we can identify the data and owners to enable for collecting, preserving and analyzing and reviewing with potential digital evidence. So cleaning and validate the data. So cleaning up the data is traditional. So the most time consuming is a part of the data preparation process. So but it is for removing the faculty data and filling the gaps. So the important task, so it will include removing the extraneous data and outliers, filing in missing values, conforming the data to a standardized pattern, masking the private or sensitive data entries. So once the data has been cleaned, so it must be validated by testing for errors in the data preparation process. So in that error in the system, so will become apparent during the steps and we will need to be resolved before moving forward. So next step is transfer and enrich the data. So transforming the data is the process of updating the format or values entries in order to reach their well-defined outcomes or to make the data more easily understood by a wider audience. So enriching the data, it will refer for adding and connecting the data with other related information to provide deeper insight. So next step is store the data. So once prepared, so the data can be stored or channelized into the third party application. So such as a business intelligence tools, clearing the way of processing and analyzing to take place. So these are the some steps for data preparation. So first two step is gathering. second one is discover, third one is cleaning, fourth one is transform, fifth one is enrich, then last step is store. So self-service for data preparation tools. So, data preparation is very important process, but it also requires an intense investment of resources. So the data scientist and data analyst report that 80% of the time is spent doing the data preparation rather than the analysis. So to get the better value out of the self services, so the data preparation tools look for a platform with data access and discover from any data set. That means from Excel files or CSV files to data warehouses, data lakes, and cloud apps such as Salesforce.com. So cleaning and enriching the functions, then auto discover, standardization, profiling, smart suggestion, and data visualization. Then export function to files. Example Excel, Cloud, Tabula, etc. Likewise. So they can together with a controlled export to the data warehouses and enterprise their application. So it is shareable, data preparation and data set. So design and productivity features like automatic documentation, versioning into their ETL process. So the core feature of self-service for the data preparation tools. So data discover and profiling, then catalog and metadata, and data structuring and modeling, then data transformation, then data curation, enrichment, then collaboration. So again data discover and profiling. So some of the steps in that data preparation process. So the process of preparing the data, so it includes several steps. So these are the variation, the steps listed by the different data preparation vendors and data professionals. But the process is involved the following tasks. So data collection. So data collection means the relevant data is gathered from operational system, data warehouses and other data sources. So during these steps, so the member of their BI team and other data professional and end user, so gathering the data, so confirming that data is good fit for objective of planned application. So next one is data discover and profiling. So the next step to is to explore the collected data to better understand so what it contains and what need to be done to prepare for the intended users. So data profiling, it will help their identity pattern, inconsistency, missing the data and other attributes and other issues in the data set, so the problems can be addressed. So third one is data cleaning. So in this step, so the identify the data errors or correctors to create a complete and accurate data set so that are ready to be processed and analyzed. For example, so the faculty data is removed or fixed. So the missing values or filled in or inconsistent entries. So next step is the data structuring. So at this point, so the data needs to be structured, modeled and organized into the unified format. So that will meet the requirement of the planned analytic users. So next step is data transformation and enrichment. So in this connection with structuring the data, so it must be transferred to make it consistent and turn it usable information. So the data enrichment and optimization, so further it enhance the data set as needed to produce and describe their business insight. So last one is data validation and publishing. To complete the preparation process, automated routine or run against the data to validate its consistency, completeness and accuracy. So the prepared data is then stored in the data warehouses or any other sources so that made available for the users. So the benefits of the data preparation. So the data scientist can complain that they are spending their majority of their time locating and cleaning the data rather than analyzing it. So the big benefit of is affecting the data processing is that other end user can spend their less time finding and structuring the data, so instead of focus more on the data mining and data analysis. So benefits, some of the benefits of data preparation. So it will ensure that the data is used for the BI, machine learning, predictive analytics and other analytic applications. Such quality levels to produce the reliable result. So it will avoid the duplication of effort. So in preparing the data, so that must be used in the multiple applications. So we can prepare the data for analysis. So in the cost effective and efficient way. So data preparation helps. So it will help we can fixing their error quickly. So produce the top quality data. So make the better business decision. So superior scalability. So future proof. Then accelerate the data usages and collaboration. So first one is fixing error quickly. So the data preparation, it will help catch the error before processing. After the data has been removed from its original source, so this error becomes more difficult to understand and correct. So second one, produce top quality data. So cleaning and reformatting the data set will ensure that all the data used in analysis will be high quality. So make a better business decision. So higher quality data that can be processed and analyzed more quickly and effectively leads to more timely, efficient, high quality business decisions. So additionally, as the data and the data process move to the cloud, so the data preparation moves with it greater benefit such as superior scalability. So cloud data preparation can grow at the place of their business. Enterprise does not have to worry about their underlying their infrastructures or trying to anticipate their evaluation. Then future scope, future proof. So cloud data preparation upgrade their automatically so that new capabilities or problem fixing can be turned as soon as they are released. So this allows the organization to stay their innovation curve without delay and added the cost. So last one is accelerated the data usage and collaboration. So doing this data preparation in the cloud means so it is always on. So does not require any technical installation and the teams will collaborate on their work for faster results. So additionally, a good cloud native data preparation tool will offer with other benefits